अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर अरूसा है और मैं हजवेरी यूनिवर्सिटी से फ्रेशली ग्रेजुएट हुई हूँ। इस सब में सबसे ज़्यादा मेरे माँ बाप की मेहनत, उसके बाद मेरे वालिदैन की, मेरे साथी की, मेरे टीचर्स की, उसके बाद आगे जाए तो थोड़ी बहुत मेरी। उसके अलावा हम अपनी वालिदैन के साथ और अपने टीचर्स की मेहनत के अलावा कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते। आज हम जिस भी मकाम पे खड़े हैं वो सिर्फ़ अपने टीचर्स की वजह से और अपने वालिदैन के साथ की वजह से है। हमारे वालिदैन ने और हमारे टीचर्स ने हमें इतना सपोर्ट किया कि आज हम लोग अपने काम को बढ़ा रहे हैं, आगे लेकर चल रहे हैं। उसकी वजह सिर्फ ये है कि थोड़ी बहुत मेहनत हमने की, बाकी अल्लाह पाक का करम था और वालिदैन ने जितना हमें साथ दिया उसके अलावा हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते। बहुत शुक्रिया।
MSc Media Studies. I have just completed my studies from Yunivers. Today is my convocation and I'm very thankful to my faculty members, my family. They always supported me, especially my parents. Thank you.
Okay, go.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Alkuma and I am from Hijweri University. I am a student of textile designing. I started my journey before 4 years ago and now I am going to graduate here. I am very happy. First of all, I am going to say thank you to my parents for supporting me, and now today it's a day of my convocation and I am very happy because my fiance is always here. Thank you, Amy, for supporting me so much. Hijweri.
I am Dr. Nimla Tariq. I did Doctor of Physical Therapy from Hijweri University. My experience and journey in this university is amazing. The most important thing which I really like is that it's excellent opportunities for students to get involved with their extracurricular activities alongside their studies. And firstly, thank you so much my parents who have always supported me financially and emotionally and every moment of life. And thank you my graduation. Happy graduation to you too. जब तक पीछे
I would also like to thank my teachers and this university and my admin faculty for supporting me and for giving me a great chance. Thank you. Miss Nafia Nayyar and I have done DPT from Hajweri University. जैसा कि आज हमारा डिग्री का दिन है, आज वो दिन है जिसमें हमने बहुत सारे अरसे में 5 years का हमारा जो जर्नी था वो आज फाइनली एक इख्तिताम पर पहुंचता है. सो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक अल्लाह अलमाइटी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एंड देन माई पेरेंट्स मोहम्मद नैयर जमान, माई फादर एंड माई मदर सादिया नैयर फॉर गिविंग मी अ ग्रेट कॉन्फिडेंस एंड ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड सपोर्टिंग मी इन एवरी फेज ऑफ 5 years.
Hi there, my name is Amir. I have done BScs from Hijweri University. If I sum up my entire experience in one word, I would say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Teachers are kind, considerate, and really caring. They go extra mile to facilitate and accommodate students. Overall environment is very conducive for learning and thought-provoking actually. In recent era, if you see at the developments in terms of technology like machine learning, blockchain technology, augmented reality, metaverse and a lot more, entire world is transformed inside out. What we can do, I think we have to unlearn whatever we have learned in the past, and we have to relearn so many new things to be a better person. I cannot thank enough to my parents who have given their best for my betterment. I'm thankful for the university. And I wish everybody a best of luck. Have a great new year. Take care. Bye-bye. Hi there. My name is Amir. If I sum up my experience at Hijweri University in one word, it will be supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Teachers are kind, considerate, and caring. They go extra mile to facilitate students. And when it comes to environment, it's really conducive for learning, thought-provoking, and friendly. Recent developments in terms of augmented reality, virtual reality, machine learning, blockchain technology, world has transformed inside out. What we can do, all we have to do, we have to unlearn whatever we have learned in the past, and we have to learn all the new technologies. Then we can be a better citizen of this world. Thank you so much, university, for giving me such pleasant experience and enlightening my mind. I'm really thankful. I cannot thank enough to my parents. They have given all their best for my betterment. I wish all the best to the university graduates. Cheers.
Hi there, my name is Amir. I have graduated with BScs. If I sum up my experience at Hijweri University in one word, it will be supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Teachers are kind, considerate, and really caring, and they go extra mile to facilitate and accommodate students. When it comes to environment of the university, it's like really thought-provoking and conducive for learning. In recent era, developments in artificial intelligence, augmented reality, machine learning, metaverse, where society has transformed inside out. In this given scenario, what we can do? Simply we have to unlearn what we have learned in the past, right? Then we can relearn all new technologies and be a better person. In the current society, we see like many people are struggling, striving for happiness. I will tell you a 130-second incident of Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi. A traveler came after like traveling thousands of miles and reached and asked Maulana Rum that I want to be happy. Maulana said, first remove I from your message. I says that you're egoist, like remove ego. Second, I want to be happy, be. Now remove want, all the desires from your life. Now remaining sentence is just be happy. So you are already happy. In order to give back, recently I have launched a society by the name of Soft Skills Foundation, in which I share my knowledge and wisdom insight regarding integrity, compassion. So I would like you guys to join me. I cannot thank enough my parents, like they have given their best for my betterment. And I really thank you, the university and faculty and all the teachers. Really appreciate, and I'm really thankful. I would like to say thank you for everything. Wishing you best of luck. Cheers.